Hi everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm your instructor for college algebra this term. I'm really excited to get to work with you, and I wanted to make a little video to introduce myself and also provide you with some guidance as you get started with this course. As for me, again, my name is Ryan Cardula, and I work for Employer Public Schools. I was a math teacher for many years. I now work in the central office, and I've been teaching for Butler for nearly 20 years, so it's been a long time. So I wanted to just make this video to provide you some information, some guidance as we start this journey, this next 12 weeks. So everything really starts in Canvas. This is where I'm going to post your syllabus and the announcements and things like that, and where you'll see your grades. So let's get started. So what I would recommend you do is come into Canvas, and you can log into the home page. And this is a student view of what you're going to see. So here is the Welcome to College Algebra. So I'd go through and read all this information. Notice how class starts on the 13th of September and ends on the 12th of December. Read all that. Some of class information. It's good stuff on this page. The next thing I want you to take a look at is your simple syllabus. This will provide you with information about the course, and it's good that you print this off and have it with you, because what it does is it gives you my contact information. The best way to get a hold of me is through email. If you email me through Canvas, I'll get back to you pretty quick, and we can talk about your needs. So feel free to email me through Canvas, and I'll get back to you. And I don't have any set office hours. I'm an adjunct instructor, so if you need help, shoot me an email, and we'll set something up, and we'll go over it and get you squared away. So you can read through all this information, and really what I want to point out to you is that is right here. We'll do lesson certifications, and we'll do some additional activities like quizzes, and we'll have 3 module exams in the final. Here's the grade scale, and then here is our course schedule. So you should print this off, and this will kind of help you understand and keep you moving in the right direction throughout the course. And you'll see I have a lot of due dates. I believe that you should work in this class a lot. At least 2 or 3 times a week. So I've set the class up that way, so you can kind of follow through and then look at the due dates and try to get them done. You're welcome to work ahead if you want to. It's up to you. Everything is already posted. The thing you can't really work ahead on is the exams. And you'll see our first module exam is due on the 8th, and these exams are proctored. They have to be taken at the Butler Testing Center. So there'll be more information on that soon. The next place I want to take you to is the modules. So the modules give you lots of information about the course. So right here it says begin here too, so that's where you need to start. So if you click on that, you can scroll through some information about how to navigate Canvas. Our assignments will be in Hawks. There won't be any assignments for this class in actual Canvas. So you can take a look at the Canvas notifications, the assignments, the settings and notifications. It's important that you have your settings and notifications set to receive emails when I send announcements. You'll get a lot of announcements from me, probably about every day or so you'll get some kind of an announcement, so be prepared for that. So take a look at this. And then the next place I want you to go to from here is go back to modules. And there's some other pieces you should do here. If you click on Meet Your Instructor, that'll be some information about me. Here's the little discussion board so you can introduce yourself to each other. For those of you who might need a proctored test, if you live more than 60 miles from a Butler Testing Center, we can work on using a proctored test. So click on that, and you get information about the proctored test. And when we get to section 9.2 in December, you'll need this link right here. Now, some other information that you might want to read is how to access Hawks. Hawks is where all of our work happens. It's where you work on the class. So this information gives you information on how to get into Hawks. So getting registered with the Hawks software. It's important that you get in and get this going. Nuts and bolts of the Hawks course. Take a look at that. If you have to transfer, here's documented how to transfer. If you need help from Hawks, they do a great job of contacting you. If you go to the Hawks login page, there's actually a live chat, and I've used that a lot. It works really good, but you can also call them. And also a formula sheet. So here's a formula sheet you can use. You have to memorize all those formulas. Take a look at that, print it off. It'd be good. And then the math tutoring. If you need tutoring help, you can go to this resource, and it'll help you get lined out with a tutor. The next place I want you to go is announcements. Like right now we have one announcement in there. I'm just telling you class will start on Monday. I will link in this introduction video here pretty soon. So be prepared for announcements, and again, I would make sure your notifications on your account are set to receive emails about announcements. Like I said, I use them all. That is the #1 way to communicate in a online class. So again, this is Ryan. I'm really happy to get to work with you. If you need something, reach out and we'll figure it out together. I'll talk to you later.